We see new and innovative inventions from the automotive industry every other day. But sometimes, improvements are made to older vehicles that are so incredible that they become even better than anything fresh on the market. Being into cool vehicles is one thing, but vehicle upgrades are a whole other domain. Whether they are gadgets that improve the functioning of your existing vehicle, or they're modifications on previous models that make them all the more awesome, there's no denying these upgrades deserve attention too. Who knows? By the end of this video, you might have an awesome idea to upgrade your own SUV. Here are 8 vehicle upgrades that will blow your mind. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 8. Astor. Designed and manufactured by none other than Lexani Motor Cars, the Extended Navigator Mobile Office, commonly known as Astor, is a car that practically screams luxury and class. It's basically a private executive cabin that's equipped with luxurious amenities as well as plush seating. What's more, it features multiple gadgets for your use, including iPads, a Mac Mini, an Apple TV, and a PS4 entertainment system that has you covered no matter what task you need to perform. From formal video conferences to Netflix binges, you won't be missing out on anything. That's not where the luxury ends though. Passengers also get to enjoy additional headroom, retractable writing tables, ultra-modern Control 4 touchscreen system, and a customized luxury private bar station. All of these spectacular features combine to enhancing the travel experience like never seen before. The Byzantium black interior of the car, along with black rims, window and light frames, navigator inscriptions, mirror covers, door handles, and roof bars make the car all the more classy and truly one of its kind. Number 7. Envo Snowbike Kit. Do you have a favorite bike that you love riding everywhere? Are you tired of it failing you when there are inches of snow outside that are unsafe to drive in? Here's a bike conversion kit that can transform your go-to bike into a new and improved vehicle, making it sustainable for all sorts of terrains. Envo Snowbike Kit can convert your favorite bike so that you're able to conquer snow and get to your destination in no time. It's also a great way to stay fit and healthy while enjoying all sorts of outdoor adventures. What's more, the kit is super simple and easy to assemble as well as disassemble, making it user-friendly for a wide range of riders. All kinds of winter terrain, whether it's ice, hardpack, slush, or powder, is no big deal when you have the Envo Snowbike Kit in your arsenal. The conversion kit comes with a Li-ion down-tube battery, pedal assist and throttle, a weight capacity of 100 kilograms or more, and a maximum speed of 15 kilometers per hour. It's a must-have for the average rider out there. Number 6. Shadow 6 Typhoon. Shadow 6 has come up with a better and enhanced overall experience in a personal watercraft called Typhoon, a custom vehicle that's a favorite among the off-road community. The Shadow 6 Typhoon features one engine in each of its custom jet ski holes. These modified supercharged versions of Yamaha 1.8-liter motors produce 300 plus horsepower, making Typhoon one of the most exhilarating rides on the water. It's clear that the manufacturers of this remarkable vehicle designed it to be able to handle an actual typhoon. It's equipped with collars that offer extra stability in extreme surf conditions, so you don't have to think about the safety aspect of it while riding. Considering that the vehicle makes as much power as an Audi RS6, topping out at over 90 miles per hour on the water, these collars are all the more useful. All these amazing features that Shadow 6 Typhoon offers almost justify the exorbitant $200,000 price tag. Number 5. The Sloth. Have a look at the Sloth, a 2019 Toyota Komoda custom show truck that was designed with the intention to function off-road as an overlander, while also displaying some incredible mod ideas. What makes it even better is the fact that the truck doesn't reach above the 6-foot height marker, making it great for balancing purposes. The Sloth is impressive and unique no matter what angle you look at it. It incorporates a whole list of custom performance modifications, including one-off fabricated parts, donor parts from the retired original Fab Force legend, and some brand new Fab Force parts that have never been seen before. What's more, the Sloth features a custom-built open fender system, remote show and exterior lighting, radius arm suspension, custom door speaker enclosures, Mickey Thompson 43-inch tires, and a whole lot of other cool features that make this vehicle one of its kind. Number 4. Konig K-SUMMIT XXL. If you're dealing with the vehicle affected by inner clearance limitations, the Konig K-SUMMIT XXL is a pretty innovative solution. It's the most exclusive external snow chain for modern SUVs that come in handy, especially if you own a big car. We're seeing modern-day vehicles being equipped with bigger and bigger wheels and increasingly sophisticated suspension systems. While they look cool and are great for other purposes, these wheels end up reducing the wheelhouse clearance and eventually limit the application of standard snow chains. That's where Konig K-SUMMIT is a total game changer. It redefines the design of the external snow chains with greater comfort, compactness, and flexibility. Using this chain, all fitting and removing operations can be done solely on the external side of the wheel for both better visibility as well as process understanding. Once the K-SUMMIT is secured and positioned to the wheel, no additional stops are required for retensioning. It's a gadget that's pretty much a must-have in the life of any SUV user. Number 3. Extreme Hagglunds. Meet Bill Feely, a guy who has managed to transform his amphibious truck into a vehicle that's sure to leave anyone impressed. Feely has built custom tracks for a Chevy Colorado Extreme Hagglunds all-terrain vehicle, making it one of the most badass trucks to exist out there. You can definitely go all-terrains with this thing. His business, Extreme Hagglunds, is operated out of a shop on his property along the East Rosebud River. He likes making these vehicles so much and is so proud of the creations that he builds, sells, and rents them out to other automotive enthusiasts. After the transport rigs during the oil cleanup on the Yellowstone River, people have been particularly interested in these sorts of modifications, making Feely all the more popular. Number 2. Cobra Rad Radar Detector. Improve your driving safety and ensure you get to your destination as reliably as possible with Cobra's amazing radar detectors to help you out. These detectors assist you in staying safe and alert. Combined with laser detection technology, these radar detectors offer instant on detection to quickly recognize all radar signals from the front and rear of your vehicle. Thanks to all the enhanced technology featured in these detectors, you don't have to worry about false alerts either. This allows you to drive with maximum peace of mind. Car radar detectors are essentially a must-have in this day and age. They help you stay safe and alert so you can focus on the road without missing out on the information you need, precisely when you need it. Cobra radar detectors have easy-to-read displays and intuitive icons, with clear visibility even in low-light conditions. What's more, they feature unique tones that are easy to hear as well as understand. If you care about your safety and that of your loved ones, these detectors are definitely a must. Number 1. TrackNGo. The drive on tracks that have the ability to turn pickups into snowmobiles. Check out TrackNGo, a wheel-driven track system that can take your vehicle to a whole new level. The TrackNGo wheel-driven track system installs in less than 15 minutes on any vehicle that has wheel adapters and bumper stoppers. If you ever have the need to travel through snow and along dangerous roads to reach your destination, TrackNGo is your best friend. Although the system was initially designed to function on snow, it can work just as smoothly on the bare road as well. And everyone in the tracked vehicle community knows that makes it stand out like no other. Its speed capabilities are pretty impressive too. It can reach up to 37 miles per hour on hard surfaces and up to 25 miles per hour on snow. Although that mostly depends on the accumulation of snow, it's still pretty cool. Thanks to its pneumatic mounting configuration, you can always count on TrackNGo to deliver a smooth and stable ride that's not only safe, but even enjoyable for the rider. Alright, which of these vehicle upgrades do you think is the coolest? Did we miss out on anything you'd like to see? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.